Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Come to my fans on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Mpemi Home Defender 0. I'm joined by Tshepiso.
Hola, Steve Touch.
Yeah.
I want to give me today's Steve.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, received goals for the next round.
Yeah.
And I so wish for next round.
Yeah.
Recommend that team I go so wait.
Yeah.
Bargi Chiefs. And I Steve. I na right or in Man City, Real Madrid. The only team in South Africa in Man City, Real Madrid, Arsenal, and whatever.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns
fair.
Yes. And I want to rephrase the thing I did in last week. Go Loftus.
Yes.
Yes. This thing are Sundowns picture. Baring if I can meet some bago go pitch. Mafura. First of all, Sundowns train like Loftus na. The answer is no.
Yes.
Sundowns train like Clorocopo Kempton Park.
Yes.
Secondly, the time Batlega Wale. It was a lesson for one reason.
Yeah.
Arna competition gamuki.
Arna competition for South Africa,
at all.
Zero competition.
And I repeat, kin nagnale right or ne rebatla Arsenal Madrid.
Yeah.
Bon. Abarijali Dortmund.
Yeah.
Le Bayern.
Yeah.
Real Madrid.
Yeah.
Man City.
Yeah.
Arsenal.
Yeah.
Man U.
Yeah.
Wolverhampton.
Yeah.
Wolverhampton.
Yeah.
Oh lolo. Bon. Bon. I repeat, Steve again. Richelle bang speaks Steve. Today aganane man of the match agane Khoza
Malibong
uyalazi
mfana
kakhulu mfana la wayitsiba Steve
top quality
yeah top notch
top quality
thank you Steve
thank you Chaka. That's great, man.